Guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So today we're going to do an acrylic pour on a vinyl record on a Lazy Susan. So let me just explain the setup real quick. First of all, underneath here I have a silicone mat. You can probably already see it's got a bunch of paint on it. And actually, the reason I have a silicone mat under here is twofold. One, because it really holds the Lazy Susan down. It's sticky, so Lazy Susan doesn't move. And two, because I'm going to be peeling all these awesome skins up afterwards, and I'm actually kind of saving them up a little bit and then using them in some projects. So that's why it kind of looks like a hot mess under here. And this is a Lazy Susan from Amazon. The link will be in the description. I've got a shower cap on it to protect it from getting painted. And then underneath the vinyl record, I have a couple pieces of double-sided sticky tape to hold it on there. And then I have a piece of painter's tape underneath the hole in the middle. Okay, so that's the first thing. And then I have primed this with just a matte black paint and primer spray. It was actually Krylon, and I think that's the whole setup. We're gonna get started. I'm actually gonna start off with a base of royal purple, and these are all gonna be mixed media girl colors, other than the white I will be using today is Amsterdam acrylic titanium white. And that's mixed with Floetrol and water. And that's so I can hopefully get some amazing reactions. Now I have a lowly Vefe silicone funnel. You can probably see it's already got wet paint in here. I've been doing a lot of funnel pours over the last couple days. And so I wanted to do another video on it. And that is, once again, lowly Vefe. It's the same company that makes these mats. They have a bunch of really cool silicone products. All right, so underneath here, we are using that Amsterdam white, Caribbean teal, Fairy Spit, which is a metallic, Fairy Dreams, another metallic, Pacific Blue, and then I'm going to use some Golden Sun, also a metallic, and I'm going to layer a little bit more of this white in here. I am purposely dumping them straight down on the top, so we can get maximum cell action here. Okay. And just a little bit more. Filling this thing all the way to the top here. Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead, try not to spill it over the side. I'm going to slowly release this underneath that purple paint. You should start to see reactions happening pretty quickly. Awesome. So you can already see tons of cells there. I am going to very quickly torch it. And I do mean quickly because this is a vinyl record also, and we don't want to warp the record. Okay, you can probably see it's a little bit off balance. That's okay. I think that's because I didn't really center that purple because of the hole in the middle. But I'm going to go ahead and just spin. It's not going to take a lot, I don't think. Is pretty covered. One more. Awesome. So that's all there is to that. I'm going to go ahead. We'll let this sit for a little bit to see what else develops. We got a lot of cells in here, lacing. I'm curious about this white area over here, if anything else is going to pop up. And then I'll bring you guys in for a close-up. All right, so coming in for the close-up. Look at all these crazy awesome cells over here. Just to reiterate, no silicone or any additives of any kind. This is just what happens when you do this particular technique, and also using all these metallics is helping to create these different reactions. Also, probably that Amsterdam white may have helped. I'm not totally sure. Was expecting to see a little bit more of it, but that's okay. I know this golden sun creates lots of reactions, as does this fairy dreams and fairy spit. I love the names of my colors. So there you go. Alright guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this. So at this stage, this could be made into a clock. It can just be used for wall art, whatever you want. This is definitely kind of a funky color combination. Wasn't quite sure what would happen, but I think I like it. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you all next time.